up, y'all? It's CP. I am hella blown out from this light. Mac salad is something that I've made, I don't even know how long. It's been like years for sure. But this mac salad is very like Hawaiian style, where it is also a dessert because it is sweet. So in this recipe you'll find pineapple, spam, and raisins to make it sweet, but the spam gives it that nice salty taste. So this is one of my favorite recipes. It's super freaking easy, like hella easy. Like the longest part of this is making the noodles, or like cooking up the macaroni and then cooling it down after the end. But other than that, you just throw in a bunch of ingredients and it's done. So you're going to start by boiling 1 pound of macaroni elbows. And 1 pound is roughly 1 box or 16 ounces. Then you're gonna take 1 pack of spam, but you're gonna only use half. Just gonna make a little 1/4 inch cuts. And then you're gonna chop it 3 ways, the long way, and then just chop short way. JK, you're just gonna use all of the spam. And then you're gonna fry this up. So you're gonna get your spams nice and brown and then put that aside. Here's the rest of it. When your macaroni is done cooking, drain it, and then you're gonna set it aside to cool down. I got 1 can of pineapple. Drain the juice from the pineapple. Then you're gonna cut your pineapples in 8s. So it's easiest to cut it in 4s and then flip it and then cut it in 4s again, kind of like a plus sign. First we're gonna start with our pound of cooked elbow macaroni. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of mayonnaise, some salt, 1/3 cup of sugar, and we're just gonna give that a mix. Then you're just gonna add your chopped pineapples, cooked spam. Start with a box of raisins. This is optional. Not a lot of people like raisins. I do like it. It helps also give another color and dimension to this. And I like to buy the small boxes just because I don't really like want to waste like the big box raisins, especially because I only really use it for this recipe. Get that really mixed in. Open your second box. Your final box of raisins. You just put this in the refrigerator to cool, and this is all done. Here is our mac salad. Yummy. That look good. See? So this is the way I make it. It's super easy, super simple, really little ingredients. If you want to substitute your spam with ham or put some other substitutions, feel free. This is just a way I do this, and it's something that I like to have at the end of my meals. So, or I guess you could have it with, because it is a little sweet, but it's not too sweet because of like I added sugar and in the pineapple, but like I said, the spam definitely gives it a nice little special balance. So, all right, let me know if you try this in the comments below. Mac salad, y'all. Yay! Some BTS. I'm not filming just one video right now. I'm also cooking my turkey today. Oh, look at that bad boy. Oh, shit. The camera. And I'm also cooking ratatouille, which I didn't record. Uh-oh. Camera is foggy.